Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix when your iPhone won't let you delete apps. So if I go to my iPhone home screen, press and hold any app, then tap remove app, and you might notice that it only says remove from home screen and you can't see delete app. That usually happens because app deletion has been restricted inside your iPhone settings. So to fix it, let's go to settings. Scroll down a little and tap on screen time. Scroll down again and choose content and privacy restrictions. If screen time restrictions are enabled, your iPhone may ask you to enter the screen time passcode before you can continue. And just so you know, this passcode is different from your regular iPhone lock screen password. Once you're inside, so tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on deleting apps. Simply make sure this is set to allow. If it was on don't allow, that's exactly why your iPhone was preventing apps from being permanently removed. So make sure it is set to allow. After changing that, go back to your home screen, press and hold any app, tap on remove app again, and this time you should finally see the delete app option appear. So tap on delete app, confirm by pressing delete, and the application will now be completely removed from your iPhone. Fix your issue. Thank you for watching.